Hey everybody, just a quick look here at this Smith Corona Coronet Super 12 electric typewriter. Just want to show you real quick that it is in pretty good physical condition along with working condition, which is why I'm taking this video real quick. It does come with a brown hard case, which I took it out of the case for this video, but you will see the case in the listing. Everything is, fairly clean. This was found in an estate sale. Oh, got a little something there. Alright, so that's, again, it's in good physical condition and working condition. It will need a new typewriter ribbon, as everything is coming up pretty light on this. But we'll turn it on, and we'll start with some numbers. And power return. 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 Oh, hit that double Z there twice, I think. But as you can see, it is in good working condition. The print is very light, so it will need a new ribbon, but just wanted to show you that this is working good. Thanks for watching.